Go to the toolbar, take the polygon lasso tool. Make sure the selection is selected. Make a selection around the windows. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose solid color. Type in FFC97B. Then press OK. Change the blend mode linear dodge. Select the color fill layer. Go to Windows. Choose Properties. Change Feather 3.1. Go to FX. Choose Blending option. Choose Outer Glow. Reset to default. And follow these settings. Select the background layer. Go down and choose Hue/Saturation. Drag the saturation slider to left for dual gray image. Go down and choose Color Lookup. Change it into Night from Day. Cube. Go to down and choose Levels. Follow these settings. Select the top layer and create a new layer. Select Brush tool. Select Soft Round Brush. Opacity 100%. Flow 21%. Select foreground color. Choose lightest color from glowing window. Add lighting effect. Go above, choose Color Dodge. Choose Fill Color 85%. Go Toolbar. Select Brush tool. And follow these settings. Erase extra color. Go to File. Place Embedded. Choose Night Star Photo. Drag the handles when you are satisfied. Press OK. Turn of the top layer. Select Background layer. Select Quick Selection tool and make selection. Turn on the top layer. Then add Layer Mask icon. Here is the result. Hope you like it.